To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be solving a problem on PPE, that is IND AS 16. So the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least pause the video and write down the question. A company purchased the machinery for 10,50,000. So machinery is being purchased by a company and it is paying 10,15,000, 50,000. Okay, and he had paid a GST of 8%. Along with that 8% GST they have paid, which is not refundable. So it is very important here. So they have paid GST of 8% and it is a non-refundable. All non-refundable taxes we need to add. Company paid 50,000 towards transportation, 70,000 towards installation, and 10,000 for site preparation charges. The initial pre-operating loss is rupees 60,000. Find the cost of PP. So now here we need to solve the problem like this. As I told you, calculation of cost of PPE. It is according to IND AS 16. So ಈಗ PPE calculation ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ IND AS 16 ಪ್ರಕಾರ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. First always you need to take the purchase price. First ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ purchase price ನ consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Purchase price ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ purchase price ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10,50,000. So 10,50,000. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾನ್ ರಿಫಂಡಬಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ GST ಇದೆ, ನಾನ್ ರಿಫಂಡಬಲ್ GST ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 8% GST ನ ಅವರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ರಿಫಂಡಬಲ್. ಸೊ GST, ಸೊ 8% ಆನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10,50,000. ಸೊ 10,50,000 into 8%. So 10,50,000 into 8% is 84,000. So GST na ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Next we need to add directly attributable expenses. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ directly attributable expenses ನ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Directly attributable expenses are those expenses which will be incurred till the machinery runs. ಮಷಿನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನಾವು directly attributable expenses ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here first directly attributable expenses is transportation we have to take here. So transportation charges, how much? Transportation charges is 50,000. Next, what they have given? They have given towards installation. So installation charges. So if we install the machine only, the machine will run. So installation charges is directly attributable expenses, and it is how much? It is 70,000. So 70,000. Next, we are having ಸೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಮಷಿನ್ ತಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಗನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ charges is also directly attributable expenses. So how much is site preparation charges? It is 10,000. Next, the initial operating loss. As I told you that the machinery, when you purchase a new machinery, immediately we will not get any amount of profit. So we are not considering it because it is not a directly attributable expenses. So we write a note here. Initial operative loss is not a directly attributable expenses. ಇದು ಮಷಿನ್ ರನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ರನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೋಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು I think only this much. So we can add it. So when we add, we will get cost of PPE. So ಈಗ add ಮಾಡೋಣ. 10,50,000. Okay, 10,50,000 plus 84,000. 10,50,000 plus 84,000 plus 50,000 plus 70,000 plus 10,000. So if you add everything, you will get 12 lakh 64,000. ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 12,54,000 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You also once solve the answer and you will get the clear picture. Hope you have understood about this video very well. If you have understood, please put in the comment box. At the same time, if you have any doubts or queries, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. In our next video, I'll meet you.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.